Hey, it's Andrew from inndox, and I'm going to show you how you can add a contact to the logbook. Go into contacts here, click on contacts, and you can see a couple of contacts have been added. We'll just add a new contact. Now we can put in a name, Andrew Smith. Put in the email address. Now, in this case, we won't add as a logbook owner. So this information, adding a contact, is where you can add contractors, suppliers, could be STRAM, could be the architects. You put the details in here that the homeowners association and the property manager require. So I'll put in a phone number here. My mobile, and we'll put in type. Now we'll put in here software. Actually, put in help desk for inndox, for example. We'll put in the address. We'll put in the company inndox. So you can do this with all your contractors and suppliers and consultants. Add the contact, and then you can see it's been added in here. Okay, so now we can go back to the company page and go into the logbook in here, and we can scroll down in the logbook, and you can see that Tom is there as a contact. We can go add new and add Andrew as a contact and just go add contact. Now I've been added in there as another contact for the client. That's how you do it.